every year it gets me excited for Christmas. Guess where I am? I didn't wake up like this. Good morning and welcome to a new vlog. I'm so happy you're here. Today is Tuesday. Oh my goodness, I got lost. I left you on Friday because Friday was my sister's birthday and I vlogged, but I wasn't really talking. It was such a good day. We had so much fun together. She was very happy with the presents. We had such good food as well. So such a good day. And I was so tired afterwards that I forgot to end the vlog. But it's a few days later, starting a new vlog. I'm also very happy because this month is November and I have so many birthdays in November. Like mainly my sister and my boyfriend are Scorpio babies, and well, November Scorpio babies. And every year it gets me excited for Christmas because I love buying presents and it kind of sets me in the mood for Christmas. So I'm starting my list. Yeah, I'm excited. Today didn't really start very well, I'm not gonna lie. You're seeing me very upbeat and everything, but I didn't wake up like this. First of all, I think I'm getting a cold again, which I'm so freaking annoyed about. I went swimming yesterday and when I came back home, my nose was very weird and I was really tired, but that was normal. And then last night it was a bit annoying and I kept waking up a lot, which is the worst. And when I woke up this morning, I didn't really get a restful night of sleep, so I was not doing great. But also, they still haven't put the heating on in our building. They're planning on putting it on November 15th, which is in a week. And it's been incredibly cold in the apartment because it's been about 18 degrees throughout the apartment and mostly 15, 16, sometimes 17 in our bedroom. So that's annoying, and it means that I'm freezing all day long and I keep having to put on fuzzy socks and I have a blanket on. I'm literally not kidding. I have my fuzzy socks and my blanket, the thing I'm mentioning over there, but I can't remember the name of it. So I'm freezing all day long. It's very annoying, so that's maybe why I'm sick. I know. Anyways, I'm leaving in a bit because I'm getting my nails done. I feel like every time I'm vlogging, I'm getting my nails done, but I go every 3 to 4 weeks, so I'm not going every week like the Kardashians. And I'm very excited because I want to change the color. It was really nice, but very bright. And that's not the vibe I want to go for. Also, they're super long right now and I need a change. So I'm just going to put on some jeans and get ready and we're going to be off. I'm so excited. Hello, good morning. It is Thursday morning. No, it's not the morning, Gabby. It's the afternoon. Oh my goodness. I've been frantically doing a lot of things today. I had an appointment this morning, went for a walk after to buy some bread and everything. I bought some things for breakfast for tomorrow because it's my boyfriend's birthday and I just wanted something nice. I wanted to make crepe, but I don't have milk and we don't really drink milk, so it would go to waste. And after that, came back home, did some work that I have to do. on this computer, and now I've just prepared my bag because I'm going to go work from a coffee shop because they put the heating on yesterday, finally, because it's November 10th today, but they putting on the lowest settings, which means that I'm still super cold, and so cold that I have to have my hot water bottle with me after like 12 p.m. I just have to have it because I'm so freaking cold, and I'm always having a blanket on. It's very difficult. And so I just thought that since today I'm still very cold, I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go work from a coffee shop. I also have to pick up my boyfriend's presents in town, so that's great. That's perfection. I'm going to go right now. I think it's about 2 p.m. I'll go pick everything up, and then I will go to the coffee shop. I don't want to come back too late because I don't want him to see the bags, because we're not very like presents people. That's not our love language. Our love language is quality time for the both of us, like the first one. So he didn't want anything, and I just thought, you know, like, he's so good to me, he's so amazing. I'm just going to get us a board game that we can do, just the two of us. I don't want him to come home and see the bags and be like, what have you done? But I'm excited. I haven't worked from a coffee shop in such a long time. I think it was like just maybe a year ago. No, over a year ago. Oh, a year ago probably. I love going where I'm going to go because they have the best teas and cookies, so that will be nice. Also, my hair, I don't know what's happening today. It keeps just looking like crap every 5 seconds, but we move. It's not, honestly, who cares? I'm just word vomiting on you right now. I'm so sorry. Guess where I am? We're back here. We're celebrating my boyfriend's birthday tonight, so we just came for the weekend to celebrate. It's already Saturday. I wanted to film a bit yesterday, but we arrived mid-afternoon, I think, and I just spent some time with my parents, and I talked with my mom for a long time after, so didn't really take the time to film anything. And then this morning, woke up, had breakfast, then my boyfriend and I went grocery shopping, then he dropped me off at the osteopath, my mom picked me up, and then I'm always so exhausted and tired afterwards, and like just in a funk, because she kind of changes things in my neck, and that always makes me feel very groggy. So then my mom picked me up because I don't want to drive after it, because I almost had an accident the last time I drove myself, so we're not doing that. And then we had some lunch. My mom and I made a cake for tonight. My mother-in-law is bringing 2 cakes, and my mom and I are baking one. And then after that, I had a nap, and that was really nice, like an hour-long nap. I feel so much better. Got ready. I had washed my hair when I came back, and I did my makeup, which is a bit more than I would do for the day, which, I mean, that's for the birthday dinner. I did my hair. I just haven't got dressed just yet because there's no point. It's nearly 4:30, so I'm just going to have a nice little herbal tea to hydrate and read it for a little bit. Honey's in a desperate need of a haircut. Thankfully, he's going on Monday because this is long overdue. Dziewczyna? Nope. Yeah.